Hi, this is Rajan. Of course, if you are thinking of investing in Noida, that is why you are watching this video. And I thought, why not give you a round of जिस एरिया की बात चल रही है, द नोएडा ग्रेटर नोएडा एक्सप्रेसवे, उस एरिया का एक राउंड आपको एक ड्रोन शूट की हेल्प से आपको वो सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स इन वन वीडियो लेट मी टेक यू थ्रू. So the first one, that when you enter Noida after DND, after the Mahamaya flyover, when you enter Noida, the first project which is already almost sold out is M3M Cullinan, which was almost a 2-year-old project, almost sold out as of now. There is some inventory available in the commercial space, 1 or 2 units in the 5-bedroom, 4-bedroom apartments may be available. I am not sure about it, but pretty much a sold out project. It was a grand success of M3M. That was the project जिसने नोएडा में 18,000 से 20,000 रुपीस का जो प्राइस था, उस प्राइस को इस्टेब्लिश किया था. उससे पहले नोएडा ट्रेड करता था 10,000, 11,000, 12,000 रुपए पर स्क्वायर फीट पर. 18-20 हजार के बारे में कोई सोचता नहीं था. M3M gave that price to Noida and it got sold out. And of course, as you can see in the video, the total construction is at the right pace. The towers are taking shape. The commercial part is taking shape. It is a 13-acre township. Not a township, I should say. It is a 13-acre development, a mixed land use development. अब mixed land use development ही क्यों आ रही हैं हमारे नोएडा ग्रेटर नोएडा एक्सप्रेसवे पर? क्योंकि जो कमर्शियल रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं वो भी इक्वली इम्पॉर्टेंट है एज कंपेयर टू द रेजिडेंशियल apartments. So of course, if you are looking like a downtown living, then you would choose M3M Cullinan. और उसके बाद उसी रोड पर the Noida Greater Noida Expressway, as you can see in the video, the beautiful road which is perfectly done. After every monsoon it is repaired. That is a very common thing with the Noida Authority कि सारी roads जो हैं after every monsoon they get repaired. There comes the new launch with a price tag of 31,000 to 35,000 rupees by M3M, the Jacob & Co. Of course, overlooking the golf course of Unitech, which is the UGCC project. Eventually वो भी ठीक होना है. वो जो golf course है वो भी बहुत अच्छा होगा. And what? Jacob & Co की legacy. The jeweler, the watchmaker, who has made history, who is selling watches worth 200 crores, is branding these residences. So who is going to live in these apartments? Of course, if you are watching this video, it could be you also. Apart from the Jacob & Co, there is another 6-acre apartment building or a mixed land use development that is happening next to the M3M project, which is by Smart World, which is going to come as Elisab. The RERA for this project is yet not received. There is no halchal in that particular project अभी. सारी हलचल Jacob & Co पर है, Elisab पर नहीं है. But Elisab is again equally important, equally valued. वैसी ही legacy towards furniture, towards designer wear. Elisab का अपना ही एक ब्रांड है. So these two developments of 6 acre each, which are mixed land use developments, are just next to each other in the sector 97 and sector 98. There is a landmark building very close to this, which every one of you would know, is the Skymark. और इन्हीं के पीछे Max 105 भी आ रहा है, which is again a mixed land use development. So नोएडा ग्रेटर नोएडा एक्सप्रेसवे पर अगर ये दो डेवलपमेंट्स जो आपको वीडियो में दिख रही हैं, if they come in your budget, this is the place where you should be investing in Noida. If you can't buy the residential, you can actually enter the commercial part with an average of about 2 crore onwards. So these are the properties when we say which are mixed land use developments. अब आ जाते हैं the next development, which is L&T Green Reserve. So if you don't want to live the downtown living, if you are a golfer, even if you are not a golfer, and you like the serene living, आपको पीकॉक की आवाज पसंद है, आपको आसपास serenity पसंद है, then this is the project for you. Facing the golf course, beautiful 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom apartments, 5-bedroom apartments, separate buildings. One tower is 3-bedroom, 2 towers are 4-bedroom, and 1 tower is a 5 BHK building. This is going to be a different style, a different way of living in Noida. JP Golf Course, which is a Greg Norman golf course, the only Greg Norman golf course in our country, is one of the best golf courses in India. There are better than this, I am not saying that, but of course, once the JP Wishtown takes full shape, whether Vedanta or Adani, whoever takes over the deal, nothing for us to discuss about it. But we all know that this thing will take shape only after Vedanta or Adani take charge of the Jaiprakash Associate wala takeover, which is already going through. The beauty of this golf course will change. This entire area, the JP Wishtown, 1,156 square acres of land, will become the epitome, the place to be in Noida. ये सब कुछ जो नोएडा में हो रहा है, ये नोएडा के लिए एक कैटेगरी अबव द कैटेगरी विच नोएडा यूज्ड टू हैव, वो क्रिएट कर रहा है. इसी वीडियो को आगे कंटिन्यू करने के लिए we will actually go to sector 151 also in my next video, where I will show you the Experion sector 151. So Noida, Greater Noida Expressway, as I said in one of my reels, is the southern part of Noida. And if you look at all the major cities in the world, most of them, the southern part of the cities are generally expensive. You go to South Delhi is the most expensive in Delhi. You go to Mumbai, South Mumbai is the most expensive part of Mumbai. If you go to Melbourne, the southern part of the city is the most expensive, the Docklands and all. If you go to Chicago, if you go to Los Angeles, all my friends living in these cities, they tell me that the south is always expensive. Yes, there are some Vastu reasons behind it. I will not get into that discussion. I think you should discuss this with your Vastu consultant. If you believe in Vastu, then you should definitely consult with them. My job is to take you through the entire Noida, Greater Noida Expressway, give you all the bird's eye view of the entire area, and see you across the table for your investments in Noida. See you then.